Thank you very much. It's great to be here today. In this session, we will talk about how to achieve business agility with the right combination of technology and methodology. Now, let's now have a look at some of the challenges that CSPs face when they want to grow in new segments. It's all about speed, agility, and flexibility. They need to innovate much faster and reduce the time from idea to launch of new services. They need to effectively orchestrate a continuously growing ecosystem of partners, as they will no longer be able to produce everything in-house. They need to quickly scale and expand successful services in the market and eventually on a global basis. And ultimately, they need to empower the business to adapt to market changes at speed and so that they can stay ahead of the curve. The concepts for achieving business agility through agile methodologies, the adoption of DevOps and SaaS delivery models, as well as the use of cloud-native technology are around for quite a while. Yet in reality, a lot of IT projects are still not joining them up. It's no surprise that a lot of projects feel like running an expedition to the Mount Everest. In fact, there are actually quite a few similarities between mountaineering and running IT projects. When Sir Edmund Hillary climbed the Mount Everest in 1953, he needed additional oxygen to reach the summit. This oxygen clearly helps to breathe and better perform in high altitudes, but it also comes with a cost. He needed a lot of people that helped to carry it all the way up to various camps, step by step, which significantly slowed down his expedition. This way of climbing a mountain is called expedition style, and it's all about using sheer force and manpower to forge your way up to the mountains. A lot of IT projects actually feel very similar. Using complex technology requires large numbers of people, and even more people are required to manage them and ensure the quality of their deliverables. This massive overhead brings a lot of complexity and significantly slows down the delivery process, which, as a consequence, limits your ability to innovate. But there's another way. People figured out that it's possible to reach the summit without additional oxygen. But to achieve that, you have to be extremely fast and well-trained, as you cannot survive for a long time in the death zone above 8,000 meters. This method of mountaineering is called alpine style, and it's all about speed and finesse to quickly climb up and get back to the base camp without the overhead of a heavyweight expedition. We actually need to adopt a similar mindset in IT and avoid the unnecessary overheads that come with large teams working with inflexible methods and technology, which ultimately slow you down and increase costs. Instead of an army of people, we want to have the smallest possible team working closely with the business to quickly innovate and deliver solutions in a frictionless way. The first element to more agility is choosing the right technology. It allows you to deliver outcomes with minimal overhead. Clearly, microservices and the container-based architecture are a key enabler for achieving more flexibility. A big part of this complexity in running a solution at scale resides in the network component storage infrastructure, as well as the application runtime environment, where the majority of the non-functional challenges sit. The use of managed services in the public cloud frees you from a lot of this complexity. You no longer have to worry about things like scalability, high availability, or patching and updating application servers and databases. With serverless solutions, you even no longer have to provision infrastructure when the workload changes, and you don't have to pay for idle time. To sum it up, the secret formula for achieving business agility is to combine the right technology with the right delivery model.